C. Tupas, and board member of the 5th Congressional District, Honorable Yuleto Dr. C. Tupas. With Vice Mayor and Assembly by members of the Municipality of Bacolod, Viejo. Congressional District Delegation. And finally, let us give a round of applause to our Division 225 Technical Officials.
Our Congresswoman, ang Harmonia Iloy, sa Cabo Distrito, I'll be presenting the CDSA 5 The number of delegation for the elementary, number of athletes, 202, with 54 coaches. For secondary, we have 345 athletes and 79 coaches. And for a total of 547 strong athletes and 133 coaches, with 67 board of directors and staff, composed of 11 municipal mayors, 14 PSDS, 14 mother high school principals, and 28 sport officials. Today we are also celebrating our Katubas Festival, so that's why I'd like to apologize for Mayor Bongbong Tupas because we started the day with a food parade followed by presentation of Josa and street drama. And for this night, we have food fest and opening of lights. So nakakaya lang ako sa pasensya unahan lahat na ang ako na brother si Bongbong Tupas and also with Mayor Arnold Bentita. To everyone, para sa aton, for the Big District, ano ganit? Asenso! To everyone, mabuhay ang probinsya sa